Hi everyone, I'm Steve Stoller. Did you know we have 5 bike repair stations at our parks and DART transit stations?
The stations give cyclists a safe place to rest and make minor repairs to their bikes. They are located at our 2 nature preserves at Oak Point Park and Arbor Hills, the Preston Meadow Trail at Carpenter Park, and the Northwest Plano DART Park and Ride. Visit bikeplano.org for interactive maps and additional resources.
Plano is a great place to go cycling. We have more than 150 miles of on-street bike routes, nearly 100 miles of shared paths, and more than 10 miles of unpaved soft trails. We're committed to making sure cycling in Plano is fun, convenient, and safe. We'll see you soon for another Stoller on the Street.